it's 10, almost 11 p.m. We're at the Cesars Palace. We're trying to check in to get to our hotel. And we're so tired. We haven't slept so many hours. So many hours. So we're here. I'll give you a hotel room tour later. On our way to our hotel room, we are at the Palace Tower. Wait, what's this line for? Elevator line? So, this is our elevator because we're going to the room 1933. This is gonna be our hotel room 1933. Let's see. 31, 33. There you go. Come on in, guys. Welcome home. So this is our hotel room. Ooh, fancy. Need to find a switch. Oh, that's clean. That's huge. Here, Sheena. This is the room. Welcome home, guys. We have a refrigerator. It's awesome. So this is our hotel room at Cesars Palace. We're in room 1933. It's 2 queen beds. And look how pretty the bathroom is. The shower. And the toilet. There is another door, sis, so it means I can go to the toilet and then you can shower. And the bathroom. It's huge. Wow. Okay, so this is the closet. There's a bolt and an iron. Thank goodness there's an iron. Because I was about to bring my steamer, but I didn't have space. And this is like a little vanity area. And I think this is like the other room. If we have another people with us, like family or something. The heater, thermometer. And refrigerator, TV. What's this? Oh, extra storage for clothes. Yep, extra storage. And look at the view, guys. That's our view. It's the parking lot. But you see the Mirage, wind, the Venetians right there. Paris. I think we are at the back of the Cesars Palace. But this is Vegas for you guys. But you know what my favorite part is? Then ask me what's my favorite part. Ask me. Jeez. You know what's my favorite part? The bathroom. It's so huge. And look, the tub. And then there's 2 sinks, and I love that the toilet has its own door, so somebody can shower, then somebody can do their business, and somebody can be in the tub. Isn't that cool? Amazing. It's pretty, guys. It's pretty.